this is the easiest way you can make your okra soup. Very, very tasty and slimy. So delicious. First, we are going to use our fresh tilapia and we'll season it with some fish seasoning, and we add some garlic and ginger powder as well. We go ahead to add some white pepper and black pepper. We add some salt also to taste. We are just going to coat this thing with the seasoning. Okay, we want to coat this fish well with the seasoning, and just like this. Okay, now let's set this aside and work on our okra. Yes, the main reason we are all here. Let's just work on it. So you want to cut it this way. We are not using a grater here. You want to cut it this way, and then you chop it into smaller pieces just like this. And please be careful with the knife when you are parting it into 4 just like this before you continue to chop it. Okay, be very careful with the knife and your fingers. All right. Now that we are done cutting this okra, we just go ahead to transfer this into a cooking pot. Yes, you want to transfer it into a cooking pot while we go ahead to work on our ayoyo. Okay, we work on that just like this. I prefer to use the knife to cut it rather than using my finger to just tear them apart. Yes, I prefer to do it this way. It's so easy and it's not too much time consuming. Yeah. Now let's chop some onions as well. We are going to put the ayoyo into the pot together with the onions. The onion is just going to give this a nice and a very good flavor. Yes, just like this. All set. Let's transfer this onto the burner and add some water and some saltpeter. You can also use baking soda if you do not have this at home. Yes, let's cover this and bring it to a boil while we work on our other ingredients we are going to use to make this amazing soup. Yes, some habanero pepper. I used 3 of that and 1 tomato, fresh tomato. I also chopped about 2 medium size onions, and then I added everything into a blender and I'm going to blend it to be very smooth. Now let's go and check on our okra. Yes, and it is just coming out so perfect, just like this. And as at now it's done, and we are going to start our soup right away. Yes, let's transfer our tilapia into the pot. We are going to add some water. We will cover this and then bring it to a boil. This is going to be boiled for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to open this and then flip it over so the other side can also get cooked, and that will only take about a minute. Yes, because it has been there for 5 minutes, so if you flip it over, it's not supposed to keep long. And be gentle while flipping it. You do not want to break your tilapia. Yes, just be gentle and make sure you use don't use any sharp spoon or anything. Just use any silicone spoon or any wooden spoon, just like this, so you do not break it. And after the next minute, it was done, and we are just taking it from the soup, okay, from the sauce. Then we add some more water. We introduce some beef as well. If you do not have beef, don't worry. I introduced some fermented fish or monmoni, just as you see, for some extra flavor. I added the blended tomato, pepper and onions and some garlic paste to this. We are covering this and we'll bring it to a good boil, okay? Yes. Now let's open this and put in some seasoning cube, some salt, and then we'll leave it to simmer for a few minutes. Now let's add our okra, okay, just like this. You want to stir so everything mix up very well. Make sure to taste and ensure your salt is just perfect for you. If the taste is not good enough for you, just try to add some salt or whatever you feel is missing. Now that the soup is almost done, let's just introduce our tilapia just as you see and be gentle with it. You give it a very good stir. Yes, just be gentle. We do not want to break our tilapia at this latter stage, okay? You want to be gentle while stirring. Yeah. If you want your soup white or oil free, just let it simmer for a few minutes and leave it. If not, add some red oil or palm oil just like this, just a little to give it that beautiful color. Yes, and you want to be gentle while stirring. Emphasis on gentle. This is fresh fish. We do not want to break it, okay? So you want to be gentle, very gentle. Emphasis on gentle, please. All right, so we just leave this also to simmer for few minutes. Yes, for few minutes. And just as you see, our soup is ready to be served with your banku, kinke, and any other thing, akple, and any other thing. Okay, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for watching to this very stage. If you find this video helpful and valuable, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't done that yet, share this video so it gets to a lot of people. Like and comment. Okay, share your thoughts in the comment section as well. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome once again, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Yes, if you also want to enjoy more local videos like this, then please check out this playlist and you have all the beautiful local dishes. Okay, all the recipes are being lined up there, and I know you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe and enjoy this amazing meal with me.